Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations. I'm going to do a quick recycle prepper video for you guys today. So with the recession coming, they're saying that there's food shortages and you never know what's going to happen. So I wanted you to look at these containers that I have, like a juice container. This is either water or milk. This looks like a 2-liter, some kind of soda or something came in this. And this is a juice container I haven't cleaned. I just got done. I think it's still got a little orange juice in the bottom here. So I wanted you guys to see that if you get these containers and you just do a quick rinse out, like throw a little water in here with some soap, shake it up, rinse it out, put a little water in here with like 2 or 3 drips of bleach, shake it up, rinse it out a couple of times, and then there you go. You have great containers. So this is a 1 gallon, half a gallon, half a gallon, and a half a gallon. So I am putting some of this filtered, the pure filter, I'm putting some of this water away just in case. I had about 25 gallons, but now I have about 75 gallons of water that I've purified. I took it from the sink after I cleaned these containers. I put it in my filter, and then I put it here. 75 gallons of fresh drinking water, if you do a gallon a day, will give me 75 days. So I probably drink less than a gallon. Like, let's say we drink 3/4 of a gallon. That'll give me 90 days. 90 days. I have 3 months of water. So if anything ever happened, we get attacked by war or anything, you have all these small bottles of water. Now I know you can go out and buy gallons of water, but why buy a gallon of water when you can get a gallon of water for free? You know? And juice only lasts so long. But if you... So this lasted June 2022. But the water lasts way longer than that. So drink whatever you're gonna drink and then reuse this. I mean, if I throw this in the garbage, then I have to go out. So this is milk, a gallon of milk. If I throw this plastic container in the garbage, then I have to go out and buy a container of water. So if a container of water is $2, you know, and I buy 10 of them, you spent $20 on water in 10 of these plastics. But if, let's say you go through a gallon of milk a month, for 10 months, then you get 10 of these plastics for free. And it might cost you, I don't know, 20, 30 cents to wash all 10 of them. And then you get the water from the sink, and you could fill these all up for a few pennies. So I might have $1 into 10 of these containers, where you're going to go to the store, Mr. Big Bucks or Mrs. Big Bucks or whatever you call yourself, they big bucks. And you're going to spend $20 for 10 of these, and I'm going to spend maybe 30 cents, 50 cents for 10 of these. So why don't you just let me make 10 of them for you and give me the $20, and I'll put the $19.50 in my pocket. So I just think that everyone should do this. Put some water away, even 30 gallons. Just put 30 gallons away so you have water for every day if you're live by yourself. If there's more than one adult, you should have a gallon of water per adult per day. And if you have someone that's half of your size, you should have a half a gallon per child on average per day. If your child is really small, you need less. If your child could be 14 and be 6 foot tall, then they're as big as an adult, you need a gallon. If you have 3 people, right, living in your house, and you need a gallon each for a month, then that's 30 times 3. You're going to need 90 of these. So you're going to go out and spend $180 on water when you can just save containers and put your own water in. And for $5, fill the containers that you already have, you know? So hopefully this finds some of you save some money. I've been doing this for a while. I've taught my friends to do some of it. Hey, some people might think I'm crazy for being a prepper and being prepared, but I'd rather have 90 gallons of water that I don't need, you know, that I can just use to wash the car or something in the future if it ever went bad, but, you know, water doesn't go bad. Then not have any water, not be prepared, and then you're trying to rush to the store and all the shelves are empty and people are fist fighting each other because they're looking for water. So hopefully this helps you. This is a recycling class, what to do with your big containers. You know, you could put anything in these. Some people actually even fill these up and put some rocks in the bottom and fill these up with water, and then they'll set them on the edge of their pool tarp so they don't have to buy things to hold their pool down. I mean, that's pretty smart. Put two drips of some blue or some red or some yellows and make this colorful, and you can put it outside as a decoration. Make a circle of them, make a huge smiley face so that people can see driving over it. You have this huge smiley face. Or I actually saw people do these red, white, and blue and made a humongous flag in their yard. It was like 20 feet by 20 feet, so that was pretty cool. So I'm glad you stopped by Disturbing Creations. I'm so happy I could help you to be prepared and to recycle. Again, we love all of you. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Just about to be monetized, so thank you all for your support. God bless, and we're out.